disorders. So in the last video we have seen historical aspects of anxiety disorder. So this video we are continuing with epidemiological statistics and how much is too much. These two subtopics we are going to see. First we can see epidemiological statistics. So the anxiety disorders are the most common of all psychiatric illnesses. It is most commonly seen in women than in men. So it is commonly seen in women than in men. So in this 25% for phobias, matlab, it means in the anxiety 25% of the anxiety cases are registered as phobias. Most of them had phobic disorders, phobic anxiety disorders. And it also affects children, very poor socio-economic background children are at high risk for getting anxiety disorders. So this is about epidemiological statistics. So next we can see how much is too much. It means the anxiety is how we can understand which level of anxiety, which level of some bad situation makes the person to getting anxiety. That is individual different. Anxiety is usually considered a normal reaction to a realistic danger or threat to biological integrity or self-concept. You see, one example, anxiety about paying bills. This is normal. Tomorrow we have to pay the bill. Tomorrow will be the last day. If I am not paying, I will get fine or whatever. So extra amount I have to pay. So I will get anxiety because of that. So that is normal anxiety. So another one we can say that is finding decent job. To find the job, without job we cannot survive in this world because money is important. Job also, to get the money, job is important, and the job should be we have to get satisfaction on that job. So it is difficult to find that type of job. So there we will get anxiety because where we are working sometimes not satisfied with the salary or with the satisfaction of work experience. So there we will get anxiety. That also will be most of the time it is normal because we have to find a good job. We need job satisfaction. So this is more probably normal anxiety. When it is going beyond, you see third point, anxiety can be considered abnormal or pathological if it is out of proportion to the situation. To the situation, the anxiety level is more than, or the anxiety because of the person will get anxiety because he is not able to tolerate the situation. It is out of proportion to the situation. So that time it is in danger level. It is abnormal anxiety we are telling. So one is normal and another one is abnormal. Normal and another one is abnormal. So normal in our regular life we are getting that normal anxiety, but abnormal sometimes when we are not able to tolerate the situation or not able to control the situation, that time we are getting pathological problems. It becomes abnormal. The normal anxiety dissipates when the danger or threat is no longer present. It means we will get anxiety. It become normal when the danger or threat of the situation is no longer present. It will come down. So that time we will be happy. So this is what we are studying in how much is too much. This topic is telling. This topic is telling. It means how much is too much. Sometimes the person who is who can tolerate some situation, the same situation if it comes to another person, that another person may not tolerate that situation. So one person getting anxiety to one particular situation, in the same situation for another person he is not able to tolerate the situation. He is getting anxiety. So that is why it is individual different is there. When everybody is in our normal life, we are getting anxiety, like as I said, normal. And when the anxiety is out of proportion to the situation, that time it becomes abnormal. And after that, there is a chance to come down or it become normal if the situation or the dangerous, threatful situation goes away from the individual. That time it may come down. But if it's not coming down, it is necessary to meet the psychiatrist or psychologist, or they have to take treatment. Okay, that is already reached the abnormal state. That's why after the situation uh, gone away from the individual, still he may be in anxiety. So this is about how much is too much. So today we have seen two subtopics. One is epidemiological statistics and how much is too much. So next video is about one of the types of anxiety disorders, that is panic disorder. Thanks for all.